What we have here is a Lasko Contemporary, or quote-unquote contemporary. These were sold at Wal-Mart from the, I want to say, mid-80s into the late 90s. The first ones were a beige color with stencil blades, the weird stencil pattern, and also point tip blades. First ones had wood blades, everything after that had plastic blades, including this one. In the 90s, they were available in a bunch of funky colors, as was everything else at the time. What you see here is the blue model, and to me, this is childhood. When my local Walmart opened in 1997, when Walmart finally came to the Northeast, right, this was one of the things on display, and it was a neat little thing. I saw them in boxes. There was white, there was blue, there was peach, there was like a seafoam green, there was pink, I believe, a whole slew of colors. So, when I was a kid, I was climbing the shelves, because the displays at that time were, you know, both actually a thing and they were powered. So I was climbing the shelves and playing with one of these. It's a neat little thing. And I finally found one. Now, this thing uses an open-ended spinner motor like every other Lasko. It uses a plastic light kit, plastic bottom cover, plastic top cover, plastic blades, plastic upper canopy, which, by the way, it's a bell canopy. It's a ball socket mount. It would have used a very shallow, low-profile bracket, but of course it's nowhere to be found, so I had to improvise, and it's not quite the right fit, but it works for now. You can see bits of the fan are discolored, because UV does that, including the blade irons. You see a bit of the old, you see the iron scar there. The blades were incredibly scratched up, so I flipped them to the more appealing side. So, anyway, see how it performs. Starting on low, this is a 3-speed fan. Despite the fact that this was a bottom-of-the-barrel offering at Walmart, it has a 15-degree blade pitch, which is very, very odd. The fan is also, because it's all plastic, it is extremely lightweight. These things are featherweight, or feather-light. Like, they weigh nothing. See the reverse switch. The other pull chain, it juts out of the housing over that way. Let's do medium. I want to say these things disappeared by either 1998 or 1999. And then Lasko exited the ceiling fan business in 2001, so there's that. The fan is virtually wobble-free, which is cool, and yeah. Because of the blade pitch, it is moving air. There's more of the glass, or quote-unquote glass, because it's plastic, but let's go to high. Performance is surprisingly decent for what it is. I mean, the RPM's slightly lower compared to some 36-inch fans, which work more off of speed rather than pitch. This works off of pitch. And performance is surprisingly good. So. Turn my volume down because it's getting annoying. Yeah, the Lasko Contemporary, because of its cheap nature, was more or less a throwaway fan. People got them because they were cheap, and then when they got tired of them or wanted to change style, they just all threw them out because, you know, they were cheap, kind of disposable. So these are becoming increasingly less common. Which is a shame because these things are really cool. Let's turn it off. The model number is 36CL Style T, in case anyone was curious. Yeah, I do miss the days when fan displays were actually powered, when it was more than just the lights, when you could actually turn on a fan and see exactly how it performed before you bought it. You know, try before you buy. No, you can't do that anymore because, ooh, liability, ooh, scary, ooh, someone's gonna get hurt. Yeah. Ugh. Stupid. And there you have it, a baby blue Lasko Contemporary sold at Wal-Mart.